Hi, my name is Adeline Rodriguez, and my learning outcome is 2.2 Structure of Matter, and I will be talking about the relationship among matter, atoms, and compounds. First off, we have matter, which is anything that has mass and takes up space. Matter is represented in different forms, which are solids, liquids, or gases. All types of matter are composed of elements, which are parts of compounds. Elements are the simplest types of matter with certain chemical properties. Bulk elements, which are needed by the body in large amounts, make up more than 95% of the human body by weight. Examples of these elements are oxygen, which we need to breathe, carbon, and hydrogen. Trace elements are elements our bodies need in small amounts, which are used by our bodies for parts of enzymes. Examples of these elements include iron, which we take in form of vitamins or in different foods, and iodine. Ultra-trace elements are needed by the human body in very minute amounts because they can be toxic to our bodies in large amounts. Examples of these include the element arsenic. Elements are composed of atoms, which we will go over in the next slide. Atoms are particles found in matter. An atom is the smallest unit of an element that retains the chemical properties of that element. They are composed of subatomic particles, which are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons are positively charged and neutrons have no charge, meaning they're neutral. These subatomic particles can be found in the nucleus or the center of an atom. Electrons have a negative charge and are found in the outer shells of an atom, surrounding the nucleus. Atoms are chemically identical, but differ in size, weight, and ways of interacting from atoms that make up other elements. For example, atoms that make up the element carbon differ from the element iron in having a different atomic weight, number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Compounds. Compounds are particles formed when two or more atoms of different elements chemically combined. Examples of this include table sugar, baking soda, which we have in the left over here, and natural gas. Some people may think a compound and molecule are the same thing, and this is partially true. All compounds are molecules, but not all molecules are compounds. Compounds are made up of molecules, but molecules do not consist of compounds. In the next slide, I will be explaining with animations the relationship between matter, atoms, and compounds. So here we have three different types of atoms, which make up three different elements, which are lithium, carbon, and oxygen. Lithium and carbon are solids, and oxygen is a colorless and odorless gas. When two lithium atoms, one carbon atom, and three oxygen atoms are chemically combined, they make up a compound. This compound is lithium carbonate, which is an anti-manic agent in the form of a solid that is used to treat manic depressive disorder. Atoms make up elements in different forms of matter, which are needed to make up compounds when chemically joined together. These are my sources, and thank you for watching.